Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Tuesday, May 18th. Sure is flying by fast. Got a fun one today for you, so let's get right after it. Today's warm-up, we're going to hit a 400-meter run. Choose to do it if you want. Not necessary, but nice either way. Then we're going to hit dynamic range of motion. That's where we're going to be moving our joints, right? If you're not sure what that is, you can check the video link in the warm-up. It'll go through it. I think most of us are very familiar with what that is at this point. So go ahead and hit that. And then we're going to hit 4 sets of 5 good mornings, however you can do them. We've been doing them weighted on the back with a barbell, maybe a PVC, maybe a broomstick. You can use a band around the neck, through the feet, stand up with it. If you have just a dumbbell, no weight, you can throw dumbbell on your back, set it up just like so. You can even do it in an RDL style, just like so. Point is, get those hips moving, hinging, hamstrings working. 5 weighted squats, however. If you have a dumbbell, just keep it on your back. Go ahead and hit your squats. If you have a barbell, you can hit some back squats. If you don't have any weight, let's just do air squats. Then 10 squat thrusts. That's where we get our hands on the ground, jump our feet back, jump them back up for 10 reps. And then 10 total Spider-Man reach. We'll grab 5 on each side. Inside hand, try to touch the elbow to the ground, and then point to the ceiling. Again, 5 on each side. So we'll do 4 rounds of that. Once we're done, we're going to get right into the workout. It's a 21-minute workout total with 2 8-minute AMRAPs. The first AMRAP, which is as many reps as possible, or rounds, depending on how you look at it, is going to be 10 goblet step-ups. Let me move my box, flatten it just a little bit, just for demonstration's sake. Goblet step-ups. You'll hold the weight here, step up, and back down. So where we're going to get tired with this is up in the shoulders and the upper back, which is good because we have a lot of hang power snatches next. If you have a dumbbell, hold it in the goblet position here. So you'll do 10 goblet step-ups and then 10 hang snatch. Between the legs, jump it up over the top, like so, and then you're going to switch every 5 reps. If you have just a dumbbell, we'll do 10 dumbbell snatches, rotating at the top. The key here is keeping the weight close, pulling and punching through the top so that it flips nice and easy into your arm, and it's not this big rotating pop. Switch each side. Then we'll do 20 goblet step-ups and then 20 hang snatches. Again, alternating every 5 reps. For a total of 8 minutes. Then we're going to rest 5 minutes, and then we'll hit the second AMRAP of 5 goblet squats. Here. 5 goblet squats. And then 10 box jump overs. You'll jump, rotate, step down, jump down, however you want to do it. Now, if you don't have any kettlebells, dumbbells, anything like that, let's grab something that you can use as a weight. An odd object, book bag filled with some weights, some sort of sandbag, paint container, those kind of things. Should be familiar with those as well. For the lunges, for the step-ups, we can do lunges. I know we did a bunch yesterday. And if you don't have that, you can sub them out for maybe something else. On the first one, you can do squats again, if you'd like, if you're a little beat up from the lunges. I would suggest if you did the lunges in place yesterday, maybe sub these out for walking lunges if you have the room. It'll be a little bit different than just an in-place lunge. Again, goblet or odd object. For the squats, you can sub out a odd object squat for that as well, or just do air squats if you don't have anything or you don't want to use any weight. Maybe it's kind of awkward for you. And then jump overs. If we don't have a box, just do a jump over your odd object. It'd be just as effective. If you don't have a super big one, maybe you grab a cooler or something like that, something that makes you do a little bit of jumping to actually jump over it. Doesn't have to be something super big, but like a good example here, for those that are willing, I've got a cooler right there, and I can get a nice big jump over the top. Something that makes you maybe have to work a little bit. And again, be careful with that, because those kind of bounding jumps can wreak havoc on you if you're not too careful. So just be smart with what you're working on today. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. We'll answer them out. You can shoot me a message, Brandon@grapevine-crossfit.com. Happy to help you scale any other way that you may need it. So I hope you have fun with this one and have a great Tuesday. Be sure to hit the HomeWOD when you get a chance. It's an important tool there for you. We'll see you tomorrow.